Hi, I'm James from Hearing Aid 911. Hearing Aid 911 is a mobile hearing aid clinic in Boulder, Colorado that specializes in hearing aid repairs, programming, remote hearing testing, and hearing aid leasing and sales, all done at your doorstep. Oftentimes when I get a service call, it's because a person's hearing aids aren't working the way they're supposed to be, and the person's having a hard time hearing even while they're wearing their hearing aids. Now, when I get the hearing aids and I open them up and inspect the microphones, the speakers, the wiring, the electronics on the inside, more often than not, the hearing aids are loaded with dirt, debris, and moisture. And all that gunk causes performance issues, makes the hearing aids quiet, it corrodes and damages the electronics, and eventually the hearing aids will just flat quit working, they'll break down. So keeping your hearing aids clean and dry is super important. And the easiest and the most effective way that I've found to keep hearing aids in tip-top shape is to use a regular daily cleaning routine that involves one of these guys. It's the best thing I've found on the market so far. It's called the PerfectClean. It's like a little spa for your hearing aids. Check out this demonstration. PerfectClean is an automated, all-in-one system for cleaning, drying, and disinfecting hearing aids. And it'll save you all kinds of money and grief. The PerfectClean works in conjunction with a patented disinfectant solution that's specifically designed to be safe for the electronics inside your hearing aids. You'll take your dirty hearing aids with all that earwax and bacteria and grossness, and you'll place those speaker tips inside the holes in the PerfectClean reservoir. Those little ports there. And by the way, this is designed to work with all types of hearing aids, all makes and models, so you're good no matter what you got. When you got it in there, you'll close the lid, you'll push the button on the front, and the cleaning cycle will begin. There are 3 phases, and the first phase cleans those speaker tips by creating a vortex of cleaning solution that kind of power washes the portion of the hearing aids that go into your ear. And then the second phase removes moisture from the hearing aids through convection and forced hot air, which evaporates moisture from the internal components and kind of blow dries the hearing aids. And then the last phase disinfects them, and this is accomplished with a UVC disinfection lamp that kills any bacteria on the hearing aids that didn't come into contact with that cleaning solution. The entire sequence takes about an hour, and when it's done, your hearing aids are clean, they're dry, they're disinfected, and ready for use. Now, using this PerfectClean regularly will protect your hearing aids, protect your investment, and keep your hearing aids working at peak performance. So if you don't already have one, I highly recommend picking one up. It's called the PerfectClean. We do sell them. You can get them other places too. This is James at Hearing Aid 911 in Boulder, Colorado, where we are building community through calm unity.